iOS 17 is coming, and it represents a pretty major upgrade over iOS 16 with some genuinely helpful features. Perhaps one of the most interesting of these is the new StandBy mode, which can essentially turn your iPhone into a smart display. It's a super cool feature and worth taking advantage of for any iPhone user. If you have the iOS 17 beta or are watching this after iOS 17 has been released to the public, here's everything you need to know about using StandBy mode. First things first, you'll want to enable StandBy mode. To do so, open Settings and scroll down to StandBy. Here you'll be able to set the feature to be always on and enable things like night mode, which uses a specific red tint at night to limit ambient lighting. You'll also be able to enable or disable notifications. Once StandBy mode is enabled, it'll automatically turn on when your phone is charging and in horizontal orientation. That, by the way, applies to both wired and wireless charging, so you don't have to use a MagSafe charger to take advantage of StandBy mode. When you're in StandBy mode, you can cycle between the information that's shown on the screen by swiping up and down and left to right. All the way to the left is a split screen view that allows you to cycle between the two halves of the display. Apple provides a few default widgets that you can cycle between. However, if you hold down one of these, you can actually select from the widget library that you may have already used on your iPhone, adding a huge variety of features. For example, you could add a reminders widget to keep up with your reminders, or a home widget for quick home controls, a weather widget, and more. Swipe to the right and you can show a Photos mode, which can show different selections of photos on the screen with the time. Swipe right again and there's a basic clock mode. These are very reminiscent of the Apple Watch faces. There's a full screen clock with the date and alarm in both analog and digital modes and more. If you use StandBy in multiple settings, the iPhone is smart enough to remember your preferences for each. You'll need certified MagSafe chargers for this to work, but if you have those, your iPhone will remember your preferences for each charger. I hope Apple adds a StandBy mode to the iPad, which would allow users to truly turn their iPad into a smart display. For now, however, that's everything you need to know about StandBy mode in iOS 17. If it was helpful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See ya.